In this video I will share withdrawal proof with you from VK Target website and also tell you how to work in such website to earn more money from small tasks. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and press bell icon for all notification, and if you watch this video on other social media pages, please follow the page or subscribe it and press bell notification for all videos. To log in my VK account, I already opened the website and clicked on email. Here appear my email address and password. Now I click on to come in. Look, it is my VK account. You can see here is VK Target, Earn Money tab and Withdraw tab. Now look, here is my account balance, which consisting 27.72 rubles. This is a Earn Money tab. I clicked on it and the process started to open new page before me. Here you can earn money with your VK account and also earn money with your Telegram account. Here is lot of sources to earn money online, but today I am going to show you to earn money online by using your Telegram account. Earn Money tab is open before me. Look, there are two tasks above. One is VK task and other one is Telegram task. What is task rate? Look, there is shown more task. The task rate is 0.20 rubles. What task is? The task is only subscribe Telegram channel. You can earn money by doing these tasks, and take withdraw in your payer account or other payment account. In this video I will take a live withdraw in front of you and it will show they pay money to me or not. I worked here and earned 27.72 rubles. Now I clicked on withdraw button and it opened new page. I open new tab to open payment receiving account of payeer. Now I type the payeer website in my browser and enter from keyboard. It's open payeer website before me. Now I clicked on login and here is my ID and password. Again I clicked on go next. This is my payeer account and it balance here. I copied my account and go to back on VK website. To set up my payment processor and to take withdraw. Now I selected payeer as a payment method to create a withdraw request. Sum is 15 rubles and pasted my account number, which is start from P10XXXXXX11. And click on create a request. It showed three options: first, code to email; second, Google Authenticator; and third, create a request. I select code to email. It sent a code to my email address. I log into my email address and check if code is received. Yes, here is code. I copy and paste here and click on create a request. Thank you for your application. The money will be sent to you within 4 working days. Check my payment history and date time when I received the payments. Check my account number. Is this same number P10XXXXXX11 and check date and time. Comment me if you want a detailed video for more learn and earn money online. Thanks for watching.